Everybody's very vain about what they put on their house. So this is so much better than having to put some fittings together to come up with a clean out, because there really isn't anything on the market. First and foremost, this is a vented clean out. We went ahead and we built it as a leaf filter too. So we really feel it's bringing the whole package to the homeowner, giving them all kinds of options on how to run this and how to use this. Our vented cleanouts are here. We're going to start shipping next week. Just want to show you the white. This is the first time that I had white to show. I'm sharing it with you guys right now. This is the first vented cleanout. Instead of having all these fittings that look unsightly, you can now just have a very clean vented cleanout. If you have a freeze up, or if the grass grows over your pop-up, you're going to be able to vent the water right here. Super easy to run a garden hose through your system. You just take the center of the screen out. If you don't want a screen, then get rid of the screen. Snap the top off. Go ahead, remove the screen.
Once the one's out, the other one comes really easy. And pull the screen out. Put the back in first. Push the front in. Hear it snap. Door goes on. Right back to business.
Beautiful. If somebody convinces you that that's the way to go, you want to flush a bunch of big organic material through your underground system, well, just take the screen out. But I'm going to encourage it. Most people keep the screen in. You want to catch those big leaves and any branches that might end up breaking on the roof, floating down the gutter, ending up in your underground roof runoff system. Again, the center of the screen comes out. You can run a garden hose, a camera. You can put in the north heat cable through here. Now, this looks really good on PVC for you guys in the south, the guys that are running a lot of PVC. This looks really nice. This is aluminum downspout white. We matched it exact. So it came out really nice. Now, here in the north, I really recommend that you run the black, and I'll tell you why. The black gathers the sun's radiant energy. It could be 10 degrees, 15 degrees. As long as you're gathering some daylight, it'll help thaw out those downspouts. Here in the north, we need that. Downspouts are going to freeze up no matter what. So I do recommend the black in the north to help thaw out those frozen downspouts in the winter. But if you want the white, because you're just very vain and it works with your white trim, I understand. So we offer it in white and black. Make this riser very, very short so that this is kept low to the ground. Don't cut your downspout off so high. They do look better when they're lower to the ground, and they look good no matter what. This is a 2x3. It fits a 2x3 gutter downspout. You can see it's a beautiful vented clean out. And then here is the 3x4. So the 3x4 has a nice trim line. I love it. I mean, we worked really hard on the fluid dynamics, the fit and function, and then we wanted these to look good. Innovative Mold is making all of our products, all of our tooling, right here in the United States. Everything is being done in the USA. This will fit in anything 4-inch. Just drops right in. So you don't need to seal that up or glue it, because when you put that male end into this female, perfect. Perfect. No leaks. I strongly advise you keep the filter in there for leaves. We designed it so you don't have to clean it. You just have to grab the big organic material that it catches. That's it. The fines, like the shingle gravel, tree seeds, that stuff's going to wash through the system. So we didn't want a very fine screen catching all of that because that's just going to plug. Every once in a while, you just come in here, you'll grab the big whole leaves and any branches that might land on the house, break, end up in the gutters. You can catch all that large organic material instead of sending it in your underground buried downspout system. So I recommend the black for the north and the white in the Sunbelt region. And if black fits your house in the south, great. Then go with the black because it's definitely sexy. This is piano black. It's the same black that Chevy has their bow tie done in. We wanted that same rich, beautiful piano black. And then we came up with this really nice texture. I mean, I just think it really looks nice. Again, you can see the white. We made it the aluminum downspout white is what we went for because that's the majority of what's out there. We wanted to overbuild it because that's what we do. So there's your 3x4 top, and here's your 2x3 top. We're going to start shipping these out as soon as next week. So everybody who had pre-ordered their vented cleanout, we're going to be shipping that to you real soon. All right, everybody, if you got any questions on this vented cleanout, leave them in the comments section. And until that next video. If you like this product and the fact that we're manufacturing it in the USA, give us a thumbs up. It supports what we're doing. And if there's a product you want us to make, leave it in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood.